Okay, so I bought this for my husband for Christmas, and this is the box here it came in. It looks like it's pretty easy to put together. This is what the pieces look like, and you slide them into place there. Okay, so I saw this set up at a place that we went, and this is the reason I purchased this particular brand. It is really durable. The reason I liked it is because it looked durable, and some of the ones I've bought in the past weren't. Wow. So these hinges are really nice. You can kind of see how slow they lift up. So they're not junk. If you've bought these deck boxes or a different brand of deck box before, I'm not going to name any names, but a lot of them are pretty flimsy. This is pretty solid. Like, I don't know how bad it is going to be. It's not bad. It's not super heavy, but it feels like it's really well made. It doesn't feel like it's going to flop around. Like, you could see it's pretty solid there. I'll try to show you my other one to give you an example. I like the hinges a lot. I like how it slow opens and slow closes. It's got a thing here so you can put a lock on if you want. We're going to be using this to store pool stuff. We're not super worried about people stealing it. This is the handle. So the handle is actually built in. It's not like a separate piece that could break off, which is nice because that happens with the cheaper versions. And we got this for a really reasonable price. I don't know how much it is normally, but we got it on sale. So I thought it's totally worth it. I'd rather have something that lasts for a while than have it break after a year and then have to buy a new one each year. They're kind of a pain to dispose of, and I hate the extra plastic waste. So it's important to me to have something that's quality. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. We're going to go put a ton of stuff in this, buy our pool, so we can keep everything nice for next year. Take care.